This is the part 4 video of AmiBroker tutorial video series. And for those who are new to AmiBroker and directly jump to this part of series, I advise them to watch my previous series first, else you won't be able to understand the functions I'm going to use in this video. So let's come to today's topic. In this video, we will see how to backtest a strategy, and we will also see how to optimize that strategy also. So before showing you the code, first I will tell you the hypothesis that I'm going to use in this strategy. I'm going to backtest a Donchain strategy in this video. And for those who don't know what Donchain channel is an indicator developed by Richard Donchain. And it is formed by taking the highest high value and lowest low value of last few bars. And the area between these high and low values is the channel. Let's try to understand with an example. So here is the daily chart of JSW Steel. And let's assume that we are trading somewhere here. And I'm trying to plot a Donchain channel of last 30 bars. So according to 30 bars, the high of this candle will be the upper range of Donchain channel, which I marked here. And the low of this bar will be the lower range of Donchain channel. And remember, the high and low range of Donchain channel is dynamic, because as soon as we get the new high, the Donchain channel high and low will also shift. As you can see here, that within this candle, we get a new high. So the high of this channel will also change. Okay, today I will backtest a strategy in which I will code two Donchain channels of two different periods. Let's say one is for 20 period and one is for 10 period. And I will buy when I get a close above the 20 period Donchain channel and exit the long when the price crosses below the 10 period Donchain channel. Right, I repeat again. I will buy when I get a close above the 20 period Donchain channel, and I will exit the long when the price crosses below the 10 period Donchain channel. And for short, I will short when I get a close below 20 period Donchain channel, and I cover the short when price crosses above the 10 period Donchain channel. So let's go to the code. Okay, this is the price code. And here I'm defining the initial equity for this backtest by using a function called set option. And I defined initial equity as 5 lakh. And I'm defining the lot size to be considered in a backtest. And I defined it as a 1. And I defined by using a function called set position size. So in this strategy, we need two periods to form our Donchain channels. So within these two variables, I'm storing the period values. One is for 20 periods and one is for 10 periods. And within these two variables, I'm getting the value of last 20 periods. So by using this function called HHV, means highest high value of high array of what period? Entry period, which is this for 20 periods. So I'm getting the highest high value of last 20 bars. And I'm using a function called reference, and I'm shifting this by -1 because I want to get the highest high value of last 20 bars up to the previous bar. Same as with recent low, means I'm getting the lowest low value of last 20 bars. And exit high, I'm storing the values of highest high value of last 10 bars because I'm using the exit period variable in which I'm storing the value as 10. And in exit low, I'm storing the lowest low value of last 10 bars. And within these 4 lines, I'm just plotting all these 4 values. So let's go to chart. So as you can see, this green line shows the highest high value of last 20 bars. This green dotted line shows the highest high value of last 10 bars. And this red line shows the lowest low value of last 20 bars. And this red dotted line shows the lowest low value of last 10 bars. Okay, now here I'm defining the buy sell rules. So I want to buy when closing price crosses above the recent high. And what is recent high? Recent high is the highest high value of last 20 bar. And when I want to sell, I want to sell immediately when my low price crosses below the exit low. And exit low is what? The lowest low of 10 bar. And for short, I will short when I will get a close below the recent low, means 20 bar low, and will cover the short when I get when high crosses the exit high, which is 10 bar high. And here I am removing the excess signals, and here I am defining the trade delays. Okay, मैं आपको एक बार चार्ट पे दिखाता हूँ. Let's say इस कैंडल पे हमें क्लोजिंग प्राइस डॉनचेन चैनल के ऊपर मिलता है. सो जिस कैंडल के ऊपर हमें ये सिग्नल मिल रहा है, तो प्रैक्टिकली इसी क्लोजिंग प्राइस के ऊपर बाय करना ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल है. सो हमें अपने बैक टेस्ट में डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा कि हमें नेक्स्ट बार या नेक्स्ट कैंडल के ओपन या क्लोज व्हाटएवर जो भी हम प्राइस वहां पर डिफाइन करेंगे, उस पे हमें अपने बैक टेस्ट को रन करना है. सो अगेन गो टू द कोड. So what I define here is I have to define the delays for all the values for buy, for sell, for short, and for cover. So I defined a delay for buy as 1, and for sell I defined delay as 0 because I am immediately exiting my position as soon as price crossing below the 10 bar Donchian channel. And for short, again I defined the delay as 1, and for cover I defined the delay as 0. For buy, I'm considering the open price of next candle, and for short, again I'm considering the open price of next candle, and for sell I'm considering the 10 bar Donchian channel high and low for sell and cover. And here I'm plotting the arrows on top of the chart. So let's go to the analysis and we try to backtest this strategy. So I defined a date range from 1st of October 2010 to 30th of October 2020. Go to settings. I set the periodicity as daily, positions for long and short. I defined the brokerage and slippage as 0.05%, which is fair enough to consider. Click on OK. And let me just scan and click on the backtest button. So it will take a few seconds. So let's just wait. Take few seconds. Actually, it is backtesting on last 10 years data. Okay, now backtest is complete. Let me open the backtest report. And now you can see that it shows the initial capital as 5 lakh. And it shows the net profit of 1,61,000, and transaction costs are 40,000. It shows the accuracy of this system is 40%, and all these figures in backtest report. And this is the equity curve, which is literally bad. Okay, this was the backtesting part of this video, and let's come to the optimization part. Okay, we have two parameters to optimize in this strategy. One is higher period Donchian channel, and second is lower period Donchian channel. Okay, so we can optimize these two figures. So to do so, we have to define a range for both the channels. So here I defined a range from 20 to 40. And for lower channel, I defined a range from 5 to 20. And to optimize this, I will replace the param function from optimize. Okay, now what AmiBroker does is, it will take the first figure from here, 20, and the first value from here, 5, and will do a backtest based on these two parameters. Then again, it will take 20, and then it will shift the lower channel by 1 and come to 6, and then it will again backtest the symptom on these two parameters. Again, it will come to 20 and then 7, and then again backtest. And it will continue doing up till 20, 20, because 20 is the starting and 20 is the last range of lower channel. And after that, it will shift the upper channel by 1, 21, and it will start from 5, and it will keep doing up till 21 to 20. Then again, it will start from 22, and it will start from 5, and it will keep doing up till 22 to 20. And it will do all these backtest up till 45, up till 40, 20, right? So we do the optimization. Okay, click on apply. Go to analysis window and just click on the optimize button. It shows that formula requires 336 optimization steps. So we are getting 336 backtest reports based on the different parameters. So if I click on yes, it will show all the backtest reports. Okay, done. So as you can see on top of it, it is showing the profit of 4,26,000. Earlier, our profit was something around 1,61,000. Now it is showing a profit of 4,26,000, here 3,96,000, 3,82,000 based on the different periods. So we can see that as per AmiBroker, it says that if we set higher period downchain channel period to 40 and lower period downchain channel to 19, then it will give the best results, right? So as you can see that 40, 19, 39, 19, 27, 19, 40, 20, 38, 19, which is, we have to identify that which figure are more closer. So averagely, if we see that we can, if we take 40 and 20, then we can get the fair results. So let's go to the code and again change this to param. And we define it as 40 and this as 20. Click on apply and go to chart 4020. Go to analysis. Click on reset. Now it is 4020. Again scan and click on the backtest button, and it will again take few seconds to complete the backtest report. So let's just wait and we'll see. Done. So if I open the backtest report, now it shows the profit of 3,96,000 based on the 40-20 parameters. Now it is showing the accuracy of 47%. Earlier it was 40%. right? And if I see the equity curve, it is still bad. So this is how you can optimize any of your strategy. And this is the end of the video. And I hope you guys are learning few things from this series. And in next video, I will show you how to do Monte Carlo test, few custom back testings, and we will also see how to read the backtest report. And till then, keep learning. And most importantly, stay safe and do take good care of yourself and your family. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.